Doctors can use radiation to destroy certain cells which we do not want, like cancer cells. Although radiation can cause cancer, it can also treat it. We call this process radiotherapy. There are two main ways to deliver the radiation, either externally or internally. External sources normally emit gamma rays, which are targeted at the cancerous site at different angles. Only the cancerous site gets the highest dose. The internal method is where we place a radioactive source inside the body, either inside the cancer itself or next to the cancer. This method uses beta radiation, which is more damaging than gamma rays, but can't pass far through the body. Unfortunately, both of these techniques have side effects, and other healthy cells in the body will also get damaged or killed in the process. This is why cancer therapy often makes patients feel sick.